Hello, this is Hans the Dutch guy with Much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent the Dutch high-end department store, de Bijenkorf. This is the way we say de Bijenkorf. De Bijenkorf. There is a light emphasis on the first part of the second name. De Bijenkorf. De Bijenkorf. De Bijenkorf. You can find the flagship store of the Bijenkorf op het Damplein, the Dam Square in Amsterdam. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. And we do have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. Tot ziens!